Hello guys, good day to everyone. I'm here, your maths blogger, Franz. I have here the problem about arithmetic sequence. This is a word problem. So I will read number 1. Mr. Flores' annual salary for 10 consecutive years, okay, was in arithmetic sequence from 12,200 pesos to 19,400 pesos. What is his salary for the second year and every year thereafter? Okay? So, in this case, our first this is 12,200 pesos, and then this one, and then 10 years, this is 19,400 pesos. Okay? So we need to answer this blank later. So this is every year thereafter. So the question is A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, and then the last is A9. Because A1 is given and then A10 is given. So how to solve this problem? So first thing to do is we get given from the given sequence. So A1 is 12,200 pesos. Then A10 is 19,400 pesos. Okay, so we have the formula to get the difference because there is a difference because first and the last. So to find the difference, common difference, I will use A10. A10 is equals to A1 plus N minus 1 times D. Now the question is, what is our N? N is stated in the problem, 10. So A10 is 19,400 is equal to A1, 12,200 plus N, as what I said, this is 10. 10 minus 1. So this will be 19,400 equals 12,200. Oh, I forgot to write the D. So this is 9D. Okay? So I will transpose 12,200 the left side. So 19,400 minus 12,200 is equal to 9D. So 19,400 less 12,200. 0, 0, 2. This one is 7. So this will be 9D is equal to 7,200. So to solve the common difference, divide both sides by 9. Cross out 9. D equals 7,200 divided by 9. This is 8. 72, 0, 0. So we come up with 800 pesos. The difference. 800 pesos. So we can now start solving for A2 until A9. So A2, solving for A2. A2 equals A1 plus D. A1, 12,200 plus 800. So this is 13,000. So this is 13,000. Next, A3. A3 equals A2 plus D. 13,000 plus 800. So this will be 13,800. So this is 13,800. Next, A4. A4 equals A3 plus D. A3 is 13,800 plus 800. So 13,800 plus 800, 006, 14,600. So this is 14,600. So this is 14,600. Next, A5. A5 is equals to A4 plus 800. So A4 is 14,600 plus 800. So 14,600 plus 800, 0, 14, carry 1, 15,400. 15,400. So this is 15,400. Next, A6. A6 is A5 plus D. A5 is 15,400 plus D, which is 800 pesos. So 15,400 plus 800. 0, 12, carry 1, 16,200. 16,200. So this is 16,200. Next, A7. A7 equals A6 plus 800, which is the D. Alright, the D. So this is 16,200 plus 800. So this is 17,000. So this is 17,000. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So next is A8. A8 equals A7 plus D. A7 is 17,000 plus 800. Or D, let's say D. Okay, D is 800. So this will be 17,800. 17,800. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take note, the last is 19,400. So A9 equals A8 plus D. A8 is 17,800 plus 800. 17,800 plus 800. 0, 16, carry 1, 18. So this is 18,600. 18,600. Then the last one. Let us prove this one. This is correct. A10 is equals to A9 plus D. A9 is 18,600 plus 800. So 18,600 plus 800. 0, 14, carry 1, 9, 1. So we come up with the correct answer for A10. So from A2, this is the first question, the second year of his annual salary, and then every year thereafter. So the last will be 18,600. So that's all. Thank you for watching.